Jake, guess what? Yes, Dad. We are going to Florida. We're going to an airplane. Yes! So pack your bags, your suitcase, and let's go. What about Mom? Oh, she is really sick. A babysitter is gonna come pick us up. Okay. Okay. What do you want to eat? My precious guy. I want to eat some chicken nuggets. I want to eat some Doritos. I don't think we have these foods, but I think we have. I think we have these cookies, donuts. You want some? I don't like donuts. I want some chicken nuggets. No, that's for junk food. Eat the donuts right now or you're grounded. I want chicken nuggets. You know what? I am going to fall down. Ow, don't do it. Oh, no. Let's go home right now. I cannot believe that you didn't refuse to have chicken nuggets. Even you sell chicken nuggets from the airplane. I want it. I'm so hungry. You shouldn't take the donut. And I thought this was the best food ever. I don't like chocolate donuts. Don't yell at me. You know what? You're grounded forever. Go to your room now. Fine. Don't say fine to me. Fine.